Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Bricks Builder for lightweight UX landing pages, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a WordPress site ready for the Bricks Builder. Install the Bricks Builder plugin from the WordPress repository. Once installed, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Activate the Bricks Builder plugin from the Plugins menu. After activation, locate the Bricks option in the dashboard sidebar. Click on it to access the Bricks Builder interface. Next, create a new template by selecting the Templates option. In the Templates section, click on Add New. Choose the type of template you want, such as a landing page. Enter a name for your template, then click Create Template. Now, you will be directed to the Bricks Builder editor. Familiarize yourself with the editing interface, which includes elements, settings, and preview options. Drag and drop elements from the sidebar to your canvas to design your landing page. Customize each element using the Settings panel on the left. Optimize images and content for fast loading times to enhance user experience. Make use of Bricks' built-in responsive design features for mobile optimization. Preview your landing page by clicking the Preview button at the top. Once satisfied with your design, click Publish to make the landing page live. Finally, test your landing page across different devices and browsers to ensure functionality. Congratulations, you have successfully created a lightweight UX landing page using Bricks Builder. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.